Factories create growth, but uncontrolled noise can silently damage health, productivity, and the environment.
Continuous industrial noise can cause hearing loss, stress, poor concentration, and workplace accidents.
When industrial noise crosses permitted limits, nearby communities suffer day and night. That's why industrial noise rules exist, to monitor and control excessive sound pollution. Authorities check whether industries stay within approved noise limits during operations.
If industries ignore regulations, they may face penalties, complaints, or operational restrictions. Simple solutions like silencers, sound barriers, equipment maintenance, and green buffers reduce noise effectively. Noise control protects workers, improves productivity, and creates a safer environment for everyone.
Responsible industries don't just follow rules, can't. They protect people, communities, and the future.